La ka ke a thenko sebuela sentse go dumedisa kae kapa kae hole le haufi go ka tswa shebeletse video ena o le hona teng. So re na le statement sa rona ba re OM is perpendicular to BA and M is the midpoint of BA. So ba re determine the following ba re equation of the circle. So re na le coordinates tsa M tse leng 2 le 1. Tseba for equation of the circle ke x to the power of 2 plus y to the power of 2 is equals to r to the power of 2. So re na le x le kanang le 2 to the power of 2 plus 1 to the power of 2 is equals to r squared. So 2 to the power of 2 le kanang le 4. 1 to the power of 1 is equals to 1 is equals to r squared. So 4 plus 1 is equals to 5 is equals to r squared. Therefore x squared plus y squared is equals to 5. We determine equation ya circle. So re fetela go question 4.2. So question number 2 ba re determine a gradient ya OM. So coordinate tsa O ke 0 le 0 cause ke mo di y di intersectang teng, hape ke mo di x di intersectang teng. So re tlo determine gradient ya rona. So question 4.2 ke ba re determine a gradient. So ra tseba equation of a gradient ke y at 2 minus y at 1 all over x at 2 minus x at 1. So y at 2 e lekana le 1, so y at 1 e lekana le 0 all over x at 2 e lekana le 2, x at 1 e lekana le 0. Therefore gradient ya O M is equals to 1 over 2. So re tlo fetela go question 4.3. So 4.3 re determine equation of A in form of y is equals to mx plus c. So ne re itse OM is perpendicular to BA. So if OM is perpendicular to BA, if o multiply a gradient ya OM le gradient ya BA, it will refer a negative 1. In this case re na le gradient ya OM, so re tlo batla gradient ya BA. So re itse a gradient of OM multiplied by gradient of BA is equals to negative 1. So re na le gradient ya OM e lekanang le 1 over 2 multiplied by BA is equals to negative 1. So re tlo divide both sides ka negative 1 over 2. So re tlo nna le BA is equals to 1 divided by 1 over 2. Negative 1 divided by 1 over 2. Therefore re tlo nna le BA is equals to negative 2. Re fumane gradient ya BA, so ba batlile ento equation of AB in form of y is equals to mx plus c. So se re kreile gradient ya rona ya BA, so re tlo re y minus y at 1 is equals to m multiplied by x minus 1, x at 1 I mean. So y is equals to y minus 1 is equals to negative 2. Negative 2 ke gradient ya BA. So multiply by x minus 2. So re tlo re negative 2 multiplied by x, it will nna negative 2x negative 2 minus multiply by negative 2 it will nna positive 4. So y is equals to 1. So re tlo transposa 1 ya rona, so re tlo nna le y is equals to negative 2x plus 4 plus 1. So y is equals to negative 2x plus 5. So re tlo ya go question number 4.4. Question number 4.4 ba re determine the coordinate tsa A le B. So ra bona for mo A ke mo di x intersect, so ra tseba di y di lekana le 0 le B klare ra tseba mo B mo y intersect x e lekana le 0. So se re na le equation ya rona ya B A. So re tlo mo re bonang ntho mo re bonang y re tlo kenya 0, so re tlo nna le 0 is equals to negative 2 plus 5. So re itse mo re bonang y re tlo kenya 0, therefore 0 is equals to negative 2x plus 5. So re tlo transposa 5 e tlo nna negative 5 is equals to 2x. So re tlo divide both side ka negative 2 so that re tlo kgona go kry-a x. So x is equals to 5 all over 2. So se re kry-ile coordinate tsa rona tsa A. So coordinate tsa rona tsa A e tlo nna 5 all over 2 le 0. So re ya mo coordinating tsa B. So re itse mo re bonang x re tlo kenya 0, so therefore e tlo nna y is equals to negative 2x plus 5. So ke itse mo re bonang x re tlo kenya 0, so e tlo nna y is equals to negative 2 multiply by 0 plus 5. So negative 2 multiply by 0 ke 0. So 0 plus 5 e tlo nna 5, so y is equals to 5. Therefore coordinate tsa B ke 0 le 5. Re tlo fetela ho question number 4.5. So question 4.5 ba re determine area ya triangle AOB. So ra tseba from mona to mona ke 5 because na sentse ra calculate ra tseba from here to here is ke ntho ke 4 all over 2. So formula ya calculator area ya triangle ra tseba is equals to half multiply by base multiply by height. O tloa mona le o fitlhella mona ra tseba for ke base ya rona, from here to here ra tseba for ke height ya rona. So height ya rona tlo lekana le 5, re itse base ya rona tlo lekana le 5 all over 2. So re itse base ya rona tlo lekana le 5 all over 2 multiply by height ya rona lekana le 5. So answer ya rona ya lekana le 6.25 meter squared. So re solvile area ya rona ya triangle AOB. So re fetela ho next question e tlo re bona e reng. So question 4.6 ba re determine the size of eta, the angle of inclination of AB. So eta ya rona ke ena mo. So ga tseba gradient ya rona ne se re ifumane e le -2. So ga tseba tan theta is equals to -2. So re batla e theta, so re tlo re tan inverse re kenya -2 is equals to eta. So e tlo re neya -663,435. So if e re neya negative answer tlamehile re plus ka 180. So re tlo re -63,435 plus 180. So e tlo re fa theta is equals to 116,565. So the reason why re sa kgone kreya angle ele ha ona mohlang angle e tlo nna negative, that's why re plusang ka 180. Thank you for shebella till we meet again.